For close to 200 years, every step of progress of Black Americans have been chronicled by the Black press. From Freedom's Journal in 1827 to Frederick Douglass's North Star to Ida B. Wells' Evening Star. Without these kind of publications, no one would have known whether blacks had been born, went to school, got married, had children, or even died. Indeed, it was publishers like Robert Lee Vann at the Pittsburgh Courier and W.O. Walker at the Call and Post who first raised the question at the dawn, the eve of World War II, why should Black Americans go risk their lives to make someone free on a distant country when we were not free at home? Because they started this conversation, this dialogue, that led eventually to the integration of the armed forces of the United States, which was a precursor to the modern civil rights movement. All of our setbacks, all of our victories have been duly chronicled by the Black press. If it wasn't for the Black press, we would not have known of the atrocities of the Jim Crow South. It was the Black press that first gave Dr. King a platform. It was the Black press who raised attention and said that we were making demands as a people for our freedom and dignity. I'm very proud to be in a profession that did so much to free an entire race of people.